Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Deliveries Tracker app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Deliveries Tracker is a package tracking app designed to help users keep all their shipments in one place. The app supports a wide range of global and local carriers, offering real-time tracking updates, push notifications, and a clean interface for easy package management. Users can scan barcodes to quickly add shipments, view delivery history, and even sync their tracking across multiple devices. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Deliveries Tracker for its simplicity and convenience, as it eliminates the need to juggle multiple courier apps. The real-time notifications and delivery history make it easy to stay updated and keep records of past packages. Its global carrier support is also a major plus for people who frequently shop online from different regions. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users report occasional delays in tracking updates compared to official courier apps. Advanced features such as unlimited package tracking or syncing may require a subscription, which could be a drawback for casual users. Additionally, while the interface is generally user-friendly, some users find customization options limited. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Deliveries Tracker app may be worth using if you want a centralized, easy-to-use solution to monitor all your packages with real-time updates and multi-carrier support. However, if you prefer completely free tracking tools or rely on very advanced features, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.